Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is A Brave Soldier. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about synonyms and antonyms. Before this, in English for grade 2, we have learned about describing words, and you also have learned about opposite words. Remember, I hope you remember this concept, this lecture. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to recognize and use words similar and opposite in meaning. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Yasin, verse 37, and a sign for them is the night. We remove from it the light of day, so they are left in darkness. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, this verse is telling us the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who changes day to night and night to day. This cycle, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has set it, and we should all, beta, everything what Allah has created is a sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now look at this, night and day. These are two words, two situations, two parts of 24 hours which are opposite in meaning, right? If it's day, it means it's not night, and when it's night, it's not day. So such type of words are known as opposite words, right? So we are going to learn further. First, you tell me what are opposite words and what are similar words. Whatever you know about it, pause the video, answer the questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered about these questions, that the words that have the same or nearly the same meaning are known as similar words. Okay, and these words are also known as synonyms. So what are synonyms? The words which have almost same meaning, and mostly they can replace each other, right? So we can change them, we can replace them. Why? Because they have same meaning and they are known as synonyms. For example, warm or hot. If you look at the weather, what type of weather it is? It's hot. We say it, it's hot today. The weather is hot today and it's warm out. So this is how these words have same meanings. That's why they are known as synonyms. The other example is, look at this doll. You can say, it's beautiful, it's pretty. So these words have same meanings. That's why they are known as synonyms. So what are antonyms then? Let's read synonyms from your book first. All of you open your book from page number 29. Synonyms are words that mean the same or similar. For example, hot and warm, they have same meaning, they are synonyms. Good and fine. If I ask you, how are you? You can say, I'm good, I'm fine. So they have same meanings, they are synonym. And or finish. These words are the examples of synonyms. The words that have opposite meanings are known as opposite words or antonyms. So what do we call opposite word? Antonyms. And why they're antonyms? Because they have opposite meaning. For example, day, and its opposite is night. Day and night are antonyms. Look at these girls. She has long hair and she has short hair. So long, short. These are opposite words. That's why they are antonyms, right? So what does your book say about it? On page number 30, it's mentioned antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. For example, good or bad, dark or bright, in and out. So these are the examples of antonyms, right? Are you clear with the concept? So let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, your teacher will divide class in two teams. One is team A and the other is team B. Team A will list the adjectives from the text of this unit, unit 4, and will write their synonyms. So what two tasks you are going to do? First, you will list adjectives and then you will write their synonyms. And team B will list the adjectives and will write their antonyms. So team A will write adjectives and synonyms and team B will write adjectives and antonyms, and the quicker team is going to win this race. So pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you listed all the adjectives. Good job. So let's practice it further. Question number 14 and 15. Use the given words from the box and write correct synonyms for each word. Okay, so here is a word bank and you will choose this correct synonym for these words. And in question 15, you will match each word on the left with opposite to the right. Okay, here is a list of words and you have to match words for opposite meanings. So this is activity for synonyms and this is for antonyms. Pause the video, complete this task in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. What you will do, search all the adjectives from this unit, from this story. We already did this in class. What you will do and write their synonyms and antonyms. So first you did it in teams. Now you will do individually at your home. List all the adjectives and write their synonyms and antonyms in your notebook. And also use these words in sentences. Here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize and use words similar and opposite in meaning. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah.